Orb? All I see is an old beach ball. Oh, I love a good adventure. Come on, mateys, let's get that orb. There's a storm coming. Oh, no. Whoa! Time to batten down that boxcar. Oh, wait, there's Skiff. Hey, ahoy, Skiff! Skiffy! Can you lend a sail? We're trying to get the Orb of Destiny to shore. It's, that old beach ball. Nicely done, Skiff. Thank you. My pleasure, knights. But you better hurry. The orb's getting away. That's a pretty big load, Carly. Whoa, take it easy now. Excuse me, what's happening? I am not happy about this. Whoa! Was that really necessary? Hey, Skiff. Mind if I come along? You're still the one sailing. We're just cruising along next to each other. Hi, Thomas. See you later, Skiff. Be careful getting home. Aw, I only helped a little bit. I see. They sure look fast. Thanks for the tip, Diesel. Bum, 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 plodding along. Oh, I'm too late to see Verona and Frederico. Wait, what? You're welcome? Avast, landlubbers! There's a passenger on board who seems to be eager to see ya. Another quiet day on the river, Thomas? So quiet. Howdy, engines! This old barge hasn't had cargo this exciting in a long time. Cows? I don't see any cows. How do you lose a cow? Those palm trees will be beautiful. My pleasure, Thomas. Sorry, landlubbers. No deliveries today. I'm actually here to pick up Young Bao. That's right. He'll be leaving with me at sunset to go back to his home in China. Well, for now, at least. They know you gotta leave at sunset. Where are they? Sorry, Young Bao. It's time to go. All aboard! Hey! What's going on? I got it from here, Harold. How about a push back to Sodor?